Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda CR-V gas cap. First, understand that a properly sealed gas cap is crucial for your vehicle's performance and to prevent the check engine light from illuminating. This simple task can be done quickly at home with just a new, compatible gas cap. Let's get started by identifying why you might need a replacement. A faulty gas cap can lead to several issues. Look for visible damage like cracks or a loose seal, which can allow fuel vapors to escape. This can trigger your check engine light and even reduce your fuel economy. Always make sure your replacement cap is specifically designed for your Honda CR-V model to ensure a proper fit and function. Replacing the gas cap is straightforward. Begin by ensuring your vehicle is turned off. Then, simply unscrew the old gas cap by turning it counterclockwise until it comes off. Take your new gas cap and screw it on clockwise. You should hear several clicks, indicating it's securely tightened and creating a proper seal. After installing the new cap, double-check that it's securely tightened to prevent any leaks. If your check engine light was on due to the old cap, it should eventually reset after a few driving cycles. With a new, properly sealed gas cap, you'll benefit from improved fuel system integrity, better fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.